Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to read a text file into an array and then count the number of lines in that file. So I'm going to start off first of all, let's make it a little bit bigger, create a subroutine called num lines. Right, I'm going to open the file. I've got the file on my desktop already, so I'm just going to open it, and that's going to be my the FH file handler here, and we're going to read using that file handler, and then I'm going to put the path and the file, so that's going to be C users mark desktop, then the name of the file. I think the file is called e.txt. Yeah, that one there, so it's going to be called e.txt. Then a little error handler or die, say error opening. Okay, now we're going to create the array. We're going to store the lines in. I'm going to call it lines as well. I'm going to assign it to the file handler here. And then I'm going to close the file handler. And then I'm going to print out. So we've read it into the array, and then I'm going to print out that array. It's going to be number of lines. I'm going to concatenate it, dot scalar, then lines. And add the new line character on here. Okay. Now all we have to do is call that program, so that's num lines. Let's save it there. Okay, let's run the program. Number of lines 3. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to go on a little bit further here. I'm going to create another little program. If we have a look in here, that's 3 lines there that we've just done. So everything is lowercase. We're going to change everything to uppercase here. So open my scalar FH, which is file handler for reading. Here again, I'm going to type in the path. I shouldn't have deleted it really. Okay, which is users mark desktop e.txt error handler or die error opening. Okay, now we're going to use the while loop to loop through it. So while my scalar line, create the variable called line. I'm going to assign it to the file handler here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out the lines in uppercase. So let's hope this is how we do it. Print simply UC uppercase and then scalar line here. Right, okay, let's just save that and call it. And there we go. We've printed them in uppercase. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.